Biryani is one of those dishes that immediately transports you to a world of exquisite flavors and aromas. Um, what if I told you there's an IPL Biryani version perfect for cricket enthusiasts? Get ready for a culinary match worth watching. To begin with, gather your ingredients. You'll need basmati rice, chicken or vegetables for the protein, onions, tomatoes, biryani spices, and fresh herbs. And the key is balancing these to create complexity in flavor. And trust me, the right spices make the game. Um, Pain point one, cooking rice that isn't soggy or hard. Here's how you manage it. Rinse the basmati rice thoroughly to remove excess starch, then soak it for about 30 minutes. It cooks so much better afterward, giving you perfect fluffiness. Now dice up your onions and tomatoes. A common struggle here is tears from onions. Freeze them for 10 minutes before cutting. It works wonders and saves you a crying session in front of a screen. Onions give the biryani incredible depth. So don't skimp. For the spices, you'll need ginger, garlic, garam masala, and turmeric. The fresher, the better. This is like your starting lineup. If one's off, it throws the whole team. Pro tip, grind your own spices for more potent flavors that really hit home. Set your protein of choice, whether it's chicken, paneer, or veggies. Marinate these in, yogurt, ginger, garlic, and those spices. Let it sit. Marination is key. It's like giving your players a training session to perform their best. Start cooking by frying those onions until golden brown. Pain point, they can burn quickly. Keep the heat on medium and constantly stir. This could make or break your biryani, as burnt onions are not what you're after. Next, saute your marinated protein and let it blend with tomatoes and golden onions. And here's where you want to spend a little extra time making sure everything melds well together, like a synchronized team effort. And after that, parboil your rice with salt and a bit of oil to ensure it doesn't stick, and drain it as you would your last bit of tension before a game. Every grain deserves to be a little more than half cooked. Layering time, start with the protein mixture and spread the rice over it. This balance is crucial. Knowing when to layer what helps you build the best shot at biryani success, sort of like setting your batting order just right. Cover everything with saffron infused milk for color and aroma. This is like that final play that wins the match. Put on a tight lid and let it steam on low heat, creating harmony between flavors, just like a beautifully played cricket innings. Finally, garnish with fried onions and fresh herbs. Serve warm, and watch as your guests cheer. IPL Biryani, like the game itself, isn't just food, it's an experience. Each flavor a point scored. And enjoy what is a true culinary celebration.